Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove view only mode on a Google Sheets mobile. Okay, here I have my view only document. As you can see that this is the view only document, and if you want to remove the view only mode on this Google Sheets, you have to make a copy of this Google Sheets on your Google Drive. So first of all, you can tap on this three dots button on the top right corner of your screen, and then we're going to click on share and export right here. Okay, and click on make a copy, and then you can rename this Google Sheets file before you make a copy of this document. But if you want to skip the step, you just need to click on OK. All right, and just wait for a moment until this Google Sheets file has been copied to your Google Drive. Okay, and this is the copy of my view only document. Then as you can see that now I can edit this document. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove view only on Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.